Well, hello there. Y'all seen the thumbnail. Y'all know what's up next. Let's get in here and get ready to make this tasty, lovely peach cobbler. So let's get started. I have here about 5 or 6 tasty Georgia peaches. I'm going to peel them and cut them. And once again, shout out to the local farmers market. That's where I got these peaches from. There you go. See? Now in a medium saucepan, I'm going to add my nice juicy peaches, 1/2 cup of sugar. I got 1/4 cup of brown sugar. See, I packed it in there. Just drop that sugar in there. I got some cinnamon, salt, and nutmeg. I'm going to add that in there right there. And you guys, the ingredients and all the measurements will be down in the description box below. Gonna give that a good mix there. We're gonna cook this over medium heat about 2 to 3 minutes. Should look just like that. Looking good already. Give that a quick stir right there. And we're gonna remove this from the heat and set it aside. All right, let's prepare our baking dish. I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So I'm gonna take this butter and place it in a 350-degree oven to melt it. And while that butter is melting in the oven, let's get started on making the crust. We got 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and as you guys know if you watch my previous videos, I always sift my flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Get that in there just like that. Now I don't know why the camera didn't pick this up, but I did add 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, now that I got all those dry ingredients mixed up, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of whole milk, and you might need to add a tablespoon or 2 or more just to make sure it's nice and smooth. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that all up again. There you go. Get it all mixed up. Right there off camera, I just added a little bit more milk to make it smooth. See, look at that. We're going to mix that well, just like that there. See, that's the consistency you want, nice and smooth. Okay, girls, mixed up. Come on, move along. We're going to set the batter aside. Now that my butter is all melted, I removed it from the oven. We're going to set it here. Going to grab my batter and pour it right in this dish. Pour it right smack dab on top of that melted butter there. Make sure you get all that good batter out of there. Scrape it all out just like that. I probably should be using a rubber spatula. There you go, girl. Get a rubber spatula. Get that all mixed in. Gently mix it. Make it nice and smooth. Mix it all in with the butter. Now we're going to grab those peaches we had setting aside, and we're going to carefully spoon these peaches over the batter, just like I'm doing there. Now don't make the mistake of just pouring it in there, because it won't be cute if you do that. We're trying to make this cute. So take your little spoon and spoon it in there. Now we're going to take the rest of this and gently pour it in there, just like I'm doing there. So I'm going to take a little more of this ground cinnamon and sprinkle a tad bit on top, just like you see me doing there. We're going to place this in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And I will be right back. And there you go. Back out of the oven and looking yummy. You guys, look at that. Don't that look good? It's still bubbling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.